Hey guys, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. We got hubby in the kitchen here. He is cutting up our first squashes of the year. He cut up half of an onion, slicing up my little squash. We have a pot roast in the oven, and we're going to have some squash on the side. Let me see if I can see what it tastes like raw. Try this little piece here. It's nice. It's healthy. It's juicy. Squash doesn't have much of a flavor. You gotta impart a lot of flavor in it, but yeah, it's fine. Show you what it looks like. This is one of, see how fresh it is, moist, a lot of moisture in it. So he's going to stir fry. What you're going to do, just fry it in the pan with a little butter and onion. Yeah. Season it with garlic powder and Creole seasoning. Okay, he's melted some butter, about 2 tablespoons of butter. He's going to put the onions and squash, and that's how you do it. Just walked right outside our back patio. Got a couple squash for dinner. It's going to go great with the pot roast. And season it up really well with a lot of garlic powder. Squash takes on any flavor that you give it. Creole seasoning. He was asking me how that piece tasted, and I was telling him how it wasn't bitter, it wasn't sweet. It was very neutral and in between. It leaned more towards the sweet side. Like now that I've eaten it and digested, I'm getting more of a sweeter note than a bitter note. So these are the things you can always have ready in your garden. Pull together a nice meal, and we'll taste it when it's all done. Okay guys, it's cooking down really nicely. Smells good. Creole seasoning, onions, and squash. All you need. You can tell it's a good quality squash because it didn't just shrivel up. Some of them that are just grown like in factory farms or in some greenhouses, and they're pumped full of stuff and they disintegrate really easy, but this one doesn't, because it was grown with love in our backyard, in our garden. Took its time, harvest it when it's at its peak. That's hubby hooking it up. I love when he's home on the weekends and he just takes over the kitchen. I get tired of my own cooking. It's good to have someone else that'll cook in your house. So I get a break. I get to eat his cooking. And he's going to portion us up. Portion it out for us both. It only took, what, 5 minutes? That much? But you cook it 5 minutes. You don't disintegrate it. You just stir fry it, heat it through. Let me taste it while you guys are here. Let's see. Which one you want me to have? I'm going to take this one here. Alright. Straight from the garden. It's really good, guys. That's all you need to do. You don't have to go through little butter, onions, Creole seasoning. Saute is really hot. That's all you need to do to fresh vegetables. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. Just wanted to share that with you. What's going on in the garden in May. Our first harvest of squash, all right? Thanks so much for all of your support. See you in my next video. Bye. Thanks, hubby.